Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are very important in technical analysis. They suggest to a trader when the price of an asset or market, like currency pair like Euro USD, may reverse from rising to falling or falling to rising. So for example, if Euro USD was on the rise and it was going up, it may hit one of these support or resistance levels that we've drawn on and change and go back in the other direction. And vice versa. Obviously, if it was going down and then it hit one of these support resistance levels, we'd say that it's going to change direction and go upwards. Okay, so now we've come over to this Euro USD chart on a 1 hour time frame. And I'm just going to show you a few examples of support and resistance. Maybe not all on this currency pair, but I'll show you a few on this currency pair. So what you're looking for is you're looking for points that the market has hit a few times, like prices that the market has reached and reversed either in like upwards or downwards from the direction it was already heading. So one that I can see nicely here would be this line here, because as we can see, look, it's gone down, it's hit this bit here, it's gone back up, it's gone back down, it's hit it again, broke through, and then over here it's come and hit it, down there it's come and hit it, gone through, down and hit it again and gone down. So what that would tell me is I would have been able, and anyone would have been able, to spot this line from just this area right here, because you can see that it's gone down, it's hit it, it's gone up, it's gone down, it's hit it, it's gone up again. So you know that this is a key level for support or resistance. So when it's broken through, all we're really doing is waiting for it to just come back and hit it, and then because we know it's a key level, as soon as something hits it, we've got a good idea that it's going to reverse and go back down in the other option, in the other direction. Okay, now we're on the gold 4 hour chart, and I'll just show you another example here what we've got. So what we're seeing around this level here a lot of reversals. So we're going to put a line here, and what you can see is here over in this corner, it's gone down, it's hit it, it's gone up, it's broke through, it's gone back and hit it and gone down, hit it, gone down, hit it, gone down, and then almost hit it and broke through, hit it and gone back up, like reversals. So this is what it is pretty much every time. It's just shown. See, like you can even see it like a very close one here. It's gone up. It's probably going to keep going down now because it's just hit this level. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just when it comes down, it hits it. Let me just quickly say one more thing. Say there was two lines here. So the one at the bottom, the one underneath the price of the market. So in fact, sorry, that was a bit of a bad example drawing a line up there. So say if I draw one here. So this line up here is called the resistance line, because the price currently is underneath it. So if the market was going to go up and hit it, it would be resistance, not letting the market carry on going upwards, right? And this bottom one here is the support. So if it comes down and hits it, it's supporting it to go back up. It's giving it support so it can go back up. So this resistance, this one here, so when it goes up, hits it, it's resisting from it and then going to go back down. This one here at the bottom is support. So when the price comes down, hits it, it's going to be supported to go back up. That's all there is to it for this video. There will be some more detailed support and resistance videos coming up, but this is just a very basic sort of explanation of what support and resistance is. And it can be very useful even if you only know as much as what I've given out in this video. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.